Hi, third graders. Welcome to our last math lesson of the week. I put up the 7 times tables and divisions tables just another reminder that today you will recite the 7 divisions tables to me, and we're going to sing the song. Alrighty, ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35, 42 and 49, 56 and 63, and 70, and 77, and 84. See, notice I didn't circle them this time because you should already know it. So if I ask you something like, what is 49 divided by 7? Well, you're going to count with your fingers and sing the song probably. 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35, 42, and 49. Oh, 49 divided by 7 is 7. So you got this, third graders. Now, go ahead and take out your math books to page 165. Page 165. Right? Now, I know we don't have a language lesson, but that's because you have to do the language test on Jupiter, okay? Page 165. Let's look at the word problem about the Beijing Zoo. The Beijing Zoo has many rare Chinese animals. The giant pandas are the most popular. If a giant panda ate 18 pounds of bamboo on Monday, 23 pounds on Tuesday, 28 pounds on Wednesday, and 20 pounds on Thursday, how much bamboo did it eat in 4 days? Wow, they like bamboo, huh? And for them to eat many, many pounds of it, have you seen bamboo? They're very hard-looking plants. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use black because, pandas are black and white. I'm going to list the days. List the days they've eaten food. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's going to go over the box. It's okay. If you can write smaller than this, go for it. So on Monday, I have to look at the word problem again. The panda ate 18 pounds of food, bamboo to be more precise. And on Tuesday, it ate 23. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. On Wednesday, it ate 28 pounds. And on Thursday, it ate 20. Okay. So it's asking me how much did it eat in 4 days. You know what we have to do here? We've got to add. So go ahead and give this a shot. On your book, it's probably neater than mine. So try 18 plus 23 plus 28 plus 20. You can pause the video if you need to, or you can do this with me. It's up to you. All right. So 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. 11 plus 8, so I'm going to use my fingers, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 plus 0 is 19. So I have to carry over. 19. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Wow. So the panda in 4 days ate 89 pounds of food, or bamboo. So that's how I'm going to write it out. 89 pounds of bamboo. All right, letter B. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest amphibian in the world. Oh, wow. Remind me at our meeting to pull up a picture of that. Each one has 10 back toes and 8 front toes. Oh, they have an uneven amount of toes. How many toes would 6 salamanders have altogether? Okay, now this is a two-part problem, okay? So, first of all, I need to know how many toes one salamander has. Now, here's what I can do. I can draw a salamander. You don't have to, but I'm going to draw one anyway. Now I need to use different colors for this. I'm just going to draw it. So, here's my salamander. I'm going to use something skinnier than that, okay? And in the front, it has 8 toes. Sorry. So this must be its like foot and leg. So if it has 8 toes, I'm assuming this one has 4 and this one has 4, so that means 8. And then the back, here its feet and legs, it has 10, so I'm assuming that this one has 5 and this one has 5. Because 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, so to make it simple, in order to find out how many toes the salamander has, so I just drew that, I can just simply do this. 10 plus 8. And what is 10 plus 8? 18. So altogether, a salamander is 18 toes. Just one salamander has 18 toes. But I want to know how many 6 salamanders, how many toes, if I had 6 salamanders, how many toes that would be. So that means I would have to draw, and don't do this, I would have to draw 6 salamanders, okay? And each of them has 18 toes. Because if one salamander has 18 toes, how many do 6 salamanders have? Now I can do this. 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. And that would be very long, very laborious, too much work to do 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. Or I can do it the wiser way, the way of the 4th graders, and do this. 18 times 6. Now try to figure that out. You can do this. It's simple ticket booth, okay? 18 times 6. Some of you have paused the video, so. So 8 plus 6 is, or 8 plus 6, 8 times 6 is 48. 48. 1 times 6 is 6, plus the extra 4 is 10. Wow. 6 salamanders would have 108 toes. That's a lot of toes. Alrighty. So you'll do number 2 and 3 for seat work. Okay, please try it. Okay, please do it. And then let's do number 3. Let's do the back side, page 166. This is fun. We're pretending that we are at a restaurant and we're going to each order different foods. Okay, so this is fun. So here's the menu. I don't know, you've looked at menus before, right? Way back then when we were before pandemic and we can sit down and eat at restaurants, you know? So they would usually have the price of the food. For example, here a hamburger is $5.50. A cheeseburger would be $6.75, and so on and so forth, okay? So we are going to pretend we're eating in a restaurant and we want to figure out how much the meals would cost for different people. So here's Dad, and he wants to get a bacon double cheeseburger. And a bacon double cheeseburger is $8.25. So notice how they already put the dollar sign for you and the decimal. So that's very convenient. So it's $8.25. Onion rings, oh, okay, $3.50. That's $3.50. And then iced tea, you want some iced tea, is $1.25. Okay, all right, now you just have to add. Don't leave it blank, right? You want to find out how much it all costs. So you add it. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here's the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1 is 13. So for Dad, it's going to cost $13 just for his meal. Okay. Do you understand now? Now you get to do Mom and Ethan. I don't know who Ethan is. Must be your brother. And then you get to do your own. So please remember to do this part. Do Mom and Ethan, and then you can do yourself. I'll do one for me. And then you get to draw a picture of your meal. That's fun. And I would love to see that. In fact, if you like take a picture of it and send it to me before our meeting, I can show the class what you drew here. Okay? But so I'm going to order a cheeseburger myself. Do I want a cheeseburger? Do I want nachos? You know what? Cheeseburger. Then I do want fries. Onion fries or chili cheese? I'll just get regular French fries. And then a drink. Fruit punch or lemonade? I'll just get lemonade. Okay. So then I have to write the prices. So the cheeseburger is going to be $6.75 for me. French fries would be $2.50, and lemonade would be $1.75. So then I add everything for my total. 0.1, 0.2, 11. So for me, it's going to cost $11, right? And then I'll draw my meal. So you get to pick whatever you want here. You can have 2 cheeseburgers. You can have 3 lemonades. I don't know. Whatever you want here, okay? All right. So that's part of your seat work, actually. So your seat work really is, well, other than page 166, please make sure you do 166 because I'm going to ask you if you did it. And I'm going to ask you what you did for this part. And I might even ask you what you got here, okay? So other than doing page 166, also make sure you do page 165, numbers 2 and 3. Make sure you memorize your 7 division tables, and you get started on your tests and quizzes on Jupyter. All right? And then at our meeting, please have a pencil and paper ready for our spelling test. And be sure you have memorized Matthew 1:21. Okay? Thank you very much, third graders. Go ahead, go. Do your work. Bye.